Hello children, myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, science and maths teacher in St. Michael's Academy, India. Students, in this video, I'll tell you about maths of class 6, chapter 4, perimeter and area. In previous video, we have said about many more things related to perimeter of rectangle and square, as well as other shapes. Here, we will learn about area of rectangle and square. Now children, to find perimeter or area, we have to learn some formula, and these formulas used will in the solution. So we start the class as area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. L means length and B means breadth. Then length of rectangle is equal to area over breadth, or A by B. Again, breadth of rectangle can be got as area over length, or A by L. Now area of four walls is equal to 2 into L plus B into height, because in a wall there is length, breadth as well as height. This is called lateral surface area of a rectangle. Now there is a diagonal. Diagonal means the distance of two corners in a rectangle is called diagonal. This is denoted by D. So diagonal of rectangle is equal to root under L square plus B square. Now, students, we will know about a square. As you know that in a square all sides are equal and each angle is a right angle. So we put here, and each side is of A. Then area of a square is equal to side square, or in short you can say A. Now by the area we can get one side of a a square. One side of a square is equal to root under area. Now diagonal of a square is equal to root 2a and area of a square also can be found by diagonal. If diagonal has been given, it will be 1 by 2 into diagonal square. Now children, we will solve some problems. As given, first question is the length and breadth of three rectangles are given below as first 9 meter and 6 meter, second 17 meter and 3 meter, and third 14 meter and 4 meter. To find whose area is bigger and whose is less. So children, very easy to do it. First we find the area of rectangle. So first question I am doing here. So I need to remove. As question number 1, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Then length is of 9 meter and breadth is of 6 meter. Meter and meter will be multiplied together becomes meter square. Now 9 6 are 54 meter square. Now second question. Just I write first 54 meter square. Now second, B is given 17 and 3, the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth as 70 into 3 is equal to 51 meter square, and in C, area of rectangle is equal to, again we write L into D, means 14 into 4 equal to 56 meter square. Now children, you find the area of first rectangle is 54 meter square, second 51 meter square, and third 56 meter square. Therefore, the biggest area is of third rectangle. Therefore, area of third rectangle is greatest and area of second rectangle is least. Now we see the second question. What is the cost of tiling a rectangular piece of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of ₹8 per 100 square meter? Students, क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? क्वेश्चन बताया कि एक आयताकार जमीन है जिसकी लंबाई 500 मीटर है और चौड़ाई 200 मीटर है, तो इस पर 8 रुपया पर 100 स्क्वायर मीटर की दर से टाइल लगाने का खर्च क्या? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द लैंड. देन लेंथ इज गिवन 500 meter and breadth is given 200 meter. Therefore, area of land is equal to length into breadth. It will be 500 into 200 meter square. So 5 to the 10 and put 4 zeros 1 2 3 means it becomes 1 lakh meter square. Now cost of tiling, the first, so we find cost of tiling. So first of all we find the 100 square meters cost. It is given 8 rupees per meter per square meter. So we write here total area into cost per 100 meters. Area into cost per 100 meter square. So total area is 1 lakh meter square and into 8 by 100. Divided 20 cancel 20. It will be 1000 into 8 means 8000. Now we see the next question. The third question is, a room is 8 meter long and 4 meter 50 centimeter wide. So how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? यानी एक रूम है जो 8 मीटर लंबा है और 4 मीटर 50 सेंटीमीटर चौड़ा है, तो इस पर जो कार्पेट बिछाया जाएगा उसका एरिया कितना होगा? नाउ एरिया ऑफ कार्पेट इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर. अभी उस फ्लोर का एरिया कितना होगा? जितना उस रूम का एरिया होगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू गेट द एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर. वी राइट हियर एज लेंथ इज गिवन 8 मीटर and breadth is given 4 meter 50 centimeter. Now we convert into meter by giving decimal 4.50 meter, or simply you can say 4.5 meter. Now area of carpet is equal to area of floor is equal to length into breadth, means 8 into 4.5 meter square. 8 5 are 40, remainder 4, put decimal here, and 8 4 are 32 and 4 36 meter square. This is the answer of your question. Okay, the next questions will be solved in next video.